Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39. I'm going to show you a new mini album I made. This is a circular mini album. I was inspired by a video I saw. It was put out by Crafty, and she does a collab once a month with other YouTubers. She shows an inspiration piece and then everyone does their take on it. I don't have the inspiration piece. I will try to I'll link up Crafty Al's videos and show you what it was. Anyhow, here's a circular mini album. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of it. It has a little bit of embellishing. I don't think you can see, but this is dimensional. It's popped up. It just was something different. I've never done a circular mini album, and this was using up some papers in my stash as well. Paper's pretty, isn't it? Okay, and there we go. That was it. I just wanted to show you that real quick. Thanks for watching.